Here's how to fix camera not working on Lenovo laptop. Start by opening the Start menu and going into Settings. From the menu on the left, select Privacy and Security, then scroll down and open the camera settings. There are 3 permissions you need to check here. Make sure camera access is enabled first. Then, verify that apps are allowed to access your camera. Finally, make sure desktop applications also have permission to use the camera. Once all 3 options are enabled, close the settings window. Now, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Open it, then find the Cameras category and expand it. Your built-in webcam should be listed here. Right-click the camera and select Disable Device. Confirm the change by clicking Yes. After disabling it, right-click the same webcam again and choose Enable Device to turn it back on. Next, right-click the webcam once more and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. On the next screen, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the available options, choose USB video device and click Next. Wait for Windows to finish installing the driver, then close the open windows and test your webcam again. If the camera still isn't working after completing these steps, check the physical webcam area on your Lenovo laptop. Some Lenovo laptops have a built-in privacy shutter or a small switch located beside the camera. This feature can block the webcam or prevent it from being used when it's enabled. Inspect the area around your laptop's webcam and make sure the privacy shutter isn't covering the camera lens. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.